Hello guys, it's me again. Well, today we are going to for people that don't know how to cook, we are going to do an easy how to basics cook. First, we need salt. Yeah, this could work. Wait. Okay, I'm back. Now we have our salt. Let's put this salt right there. Then we are going to you can get any noodles, but not spaghettis. They don't work in the microwave because they need to get well, I'm gonna do again. If you saw my face, I'm sorry. I will cut that out if I know how to cut that out. Well, I'm going to cut again. I said I'm going to cut again if you didn't understand the last thing. So now we get ourselves a bowl. Now we put the bowl right here. We fill it with some water. Not too much, we don't want to overflow it. Okay, now carefully put it back and put a bit of salt. Not too much, just a bit. I think that's a bit too much, but we don't care about that. So, next, the noodles. We are going to use the noodles. We're going to use these noodles. You can read them because I'm in Germany, but yeah, we're going to use these noodles. These are my favorite noodles. We grab them. We go in with our hand and grab them. Now we put them out and boom. 5-second rule. You can put as many as you like. Okay, this is the last we're going to do. Now we're going to do this. We are going to put the salt and noodles back to where we had them. And yeah, I'm going to see you for the next step. So now for the next step, we are going to take these noodles. We are going to put them there. We are going to open the microwave and put them inside. You guys might think, but that will not work. They will just not get to. It will work. Put it to approximately 10 to 12 minutes. I'm going to do 11 minutes. See you when done. Also, while I'm waiting, I'm going to watch some YouTube. You can here see what I'm going to watch. No, not this. No, also not. Yes. Well, see you when the noodles are done. Okay, guys, I'm back. The noodles are now done. If it's too hot, you can use anything that can reduce it a bit.
Towel.
You can use a towel to There's another cat that I didn't show. Well, I'm going to show you guys how it ended up. So we now have to get ourselves Fuck you, spider. Here, a fork. And now I'm going to show you the results. This is how it ended up. Look, you can eat it. You can eat it freely. It is not too hard. You can just eat it. It tastes very good.